in number of zeros. Now, for example, 5 factorial, how many number of zeros are there? Can anyone? In 5 factorial, how many number of zeros are there? Yes. In 5 factorial, how many number of zeros are there at the end? 1. Great. 5 factorial. What is it? 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Correct. Now 5 into any even number, we will get 1 0. Correct. Now 5 factorial is nothing but 120. 5 into any even number, we will get 1 0. Yes, we are getting 1 0. Now similarly, what about 10 factorial? Yes, what about 10 factorial? How many zeros we will get in 10 factorial? Yes. 10 factorial, how many zeros are there at the end? Ten factorial. How many zeros are there at the end? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Correct? Now here 5 into any even number. 5 into any even number, we will get 1 0. Correct? Here can I write it as 10 as 5 into 2? Yes, 5 into any even number, we will get 1 0. Yes, 1 0. Now what about these 5 into 2? What is 5 into 2? We will get 1 0. Correct. Total how many zeros we are getting? 5 into 2 here 1 0 we are getting. 5 into 2 here 1 0 we are getting. Total how many zeros? 2 zeros. In 10 factorial we can expect 2 zeros. 2 zeros in 10 factorial. In 10 factorial 2 zeros are there. Yes. 10 factorial 2 zeros are there. Now here, if I'm calculating like this, if I'm asking you in 100 factorial, how many zeros are there? If I'm writing like this, my exam time will be, means it will take time in the exam. Correct? If I'm calculating 100 into, what is this, 99 into, 98 into, 97, up to 1, if I'm writing like this, it will take time in the exam. So what is the shortcut trick here is 5 factorial. I'm dividing with 5. Why I'm dividing with 5? Because 5 into any even number, we will get 0. Correct. 5 into any even number, we will get 0. Now here 5 ones 5 means here in 5 factorial, you will get only 1 0. You will get only 1 0. Now similarly 10 factorial 5, 5 2's 10. In 10 factorial, you will get 2 zeros. You will get 2 zeros. Now similarly, what about 100 factorial? Can anyone? 100 factorial. How many zeros are there? In 100 factorial, how many zeros are there? 100 factorial, how many zeros are there? At the end, 5, 5 20s. Again, I can divide with 5. Correct. 5 4 is 20. Again, it's not possible because 5, 4 is less when compared to 5. Correct. Now, what is 20 plus 4? Will give the result as 24. Total number of zeros in 100 factorial is 24. Answer is 24. Yes. Till now, is this clear? Yes. Till now, is this clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here the question for you. What is the answer for this question? Give me 1 second. Yes. Find the number of zeros in 229 factorial. In 229 factorial. Divide with 5. That's it.
$45.
45. Okay, 45 is not there in the option.
$55.
Yes, excellent. 55. 229. Divide with 5. 5 4s 20. 5 5s 25. 5 5 9s. Don't bother about remainder. Don't consider remainder. Okay, 5 ones 5. Now what is 45 plus 10? 45 plus 10 will give the result as 55. Answer is 55. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Moving forward to next question. What is the unit digit? 2 power 2 whole power 2. For example, first we have to calculate this term, that is 2 square will give the result as 4 and 4 square will give the result as 16. Unit digit is 6. Yes, this is the way we have to solve. Just tell me. Yes, what is the answer?
6.
6. Excellent. 6. 52 power 52. What will be the unit digit? 52 power 52. What will be the unit digit? Can anyone? Yes. 52 power 52. What will be the unit digit? Yes. What is the power cycle for 2?
4.
2 square 4. Great. 4. Is it? Okay. 2 square. And what about 2 cube? 8. What about 2 power 4? 6. 2, 4, 8, 6. This is the power cycle. Now forget about these 5. We have to consider as 52 means a 2 power 52. Correct. Now what is the power cycle for 2? 2 power 4k is equals to 1. Correct. Means every after 4 numbers the cycle is again repeating. Correct. Every 4 powers the cycle is repeating. Means what I have to do? I have to divide with 4. Correct. Now 4 ones 4 and 12. 4 3s 12 left with 0. Correct. Now what is 2 power 0? Yes, if remainder is 0. What will be the unit digit? Can anyone, if remainder is 0? Remainder is 0. What will be the unit digit?
One.
2 power 0, practically 1. That is fine. What about 2 power 4? What will be the unit digit for 2 power 4?
6.
Yes, 2 power 4 is 6. What about 2 power 8? Yes, what about 2 power 8?
6.
6. Excellent. Now, can I do? Yes, you can calculate like this. For 2 power 4, this is the answer. Now, what about 2 power 8? 2 power 8 means 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. We have to calculate like this. But here he is asking 2 power 52. Means if I am calculating like this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, it will take time in the exam. Correct. So what I am doing is here 2 power 8. Let us assume 2 power 8. Here I am dividing 8 by 4 because power cycle will repeat. Correct. Now 4 to 8 left with the remainder is 0. Now what is 2 power 0? What will be the unit digit here? 2 power 0. Two power 4k is equals to 6. Yes. 2 power 0. What will be the unit digit? 6. Correct. Yes. Here in this unit digit concept, you have to consider as 6. 2 power 4k is equals to 6. Means here the unit digit is 6. Now is calculated. We are getting unit digit as 6. Now what about 6 power 52? What will be the unit digit? 6 power 52. 6 power 52. Yes. 6 power anything will be 6. 6 power any number will be 6. Correct. Now here the 6 answer is option D, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I hope it is clear. Moving forward to next question. Yes. Please ask me if you are not getting my point. I will explain it again. One 127 power 127 factorial. One 127 factorial. What will be the last two digits? Can anyone? In 127 factorial, what will be the last two digits? Yes. What about last two digits? Just tell me last two digits. One 127 factorial. How many zeros are at the end? 127 factorial. How many zeros are at the end? 5, 5 twos, 5 5s 25, 5, 5 5s, 5, 5 ones, 25 plus 5 plus 1, 31. You will get 31 zeros. Correct? Means can I say last two digits are zeros? Yes, agree. How many people are agree? Last two digits are zeros for sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 4? Why I am checking divisibility rule for 4? Because what is the power cycle? What is the power cycle for 7? Power cycle for 7, 7931. 7 power 4k is equals to 1. Correct. Means I have to divide these number. Give me 1 second. Yes, I have to divide this number with 4. Correct. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 4? Divisibility rule for 4. Yes, already done divisibility rules and power cycles. What is the divisibility rule for 4?
Last two digits should be divisible by 4.
Last two digits. Here the last two digits are zeros. Two zeros. Means these two zeros are divisible by 4 or not. Can anyone, for example, 100. 100 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. 25 fours 100. Now 200 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. 450. 50 into 4, 200. Now what about 300? Yes. If the number is ending with two zeros, then that number is completely divisible by 4. Can I say? How many people are agree? If the numbers are ending with two zeros, then that number is completely divisible by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here you are getting the remainder. Completely divisible means you are not getting any remainder. Correct. If you are not getting any remainder means you will get 0. Now what is 7 power 0? What is 7 power 0? What will be the unit digit here if 7 power 0?
1.
Great. 7 power 4k is equals to 1. Unit digit is 1. Answer is option D, 1. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about others? Yes. Varshita, is this clear? Anirudh? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward to next question. Yes. What is the answer for this question? How many factors are there in 1400? Can anyone? Number of factors in 1400. Number of factors in 1400. Factors. For example, 6. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors for 6. This is the traditional approach. Now, what is the shortcut trick here? Shortcut trick is 2 into 3. To calculate number of factors, 2 power 1 and here 3 power 1. To calculate number of factors, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 2 will give the result as 4. Total number of factors for 6 is 4. Now similarly, what about these 1400? Number of factors are how many? Yes. Number of factors. How I can split by using factorization method? 1400. How I can split by using factorization method? Can anyone? How I can split 1400 by using factorization method? Factorization method is nothing but this method.
2 cube into 5 square into 7.
Excellent. Can I write it as 14 into 100? Can I write it as 2 into 7? Can I write it as 25 into 4? This is 2 square and this is 5 square. Now here 2 square means 2 square here and here 1 2 is there. Can I write it as total 2 cube into 5 square into 7? Yes, 2 cube into 5 square into 7. This is factorization method. Now how many number of factors are there? Yes, how many number of factors are there in 1400? Can anyone? Number of factors in 1400.
24.
Great. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 will give the result as 4. 2 plus 1 will give the result as 3. 1 plus 1 will give the result as 2. What is 4 into 3 into 2? 24. Total number of factors are 24. But here, what he is asking that which are not perfect squares. Which are not perfect squares. Now squares are starting from 1 square will give the result as 1, 2 square will give the result as 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Now please pay your attention. 2 power 3 is including which of the following numbers? 2 power 3 is including 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square and 2 power 3. Correct. Now these powers, which of the following powers are perfect squares? Can anyone? Perfect squares. 2 power 0 is a perfect square. Correct. This is perfect square. 2 power 1 is not a perfect square. 2 is a square. No. Correct. Now what about 2 square? Yes. 2 square will give the result as 4. Yes. 4 is a square. Now what about 2 cube? Yes. What about 2 cube? What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 is a square of the number. Yes. 8 is a square. 8 is a square of any number. No, correct. I can eliminate option. Sorry, I can eliminate 2 power 3. Now here, how many numbers, how many powers are there? 2 powers are there. Now similarly, 5 square. Now what about 5 square? It is including 5 power 0, including 5 power 1, including 5 square. Correct. Yes. No. Yes. Now 5 power 1, 5 power 0. What is 5 power 0? Can anyone? What is 5 power 0? Yes. What is 5 power 0?
1.
1. 1. 1 is a square of, means what is 1 square? 1 square will give the result as 1. Means this is a square of that number. Now 5 is a square? No. Now what about 5 square? 25. Yes, this is the square. How many powers we are getting? Means how many numbers we are getting? 2 numbers we are getting. Now similarly, 7 power 1, how many square of numbers are there? Yes. How many perfect squares are there in 7 power 1? Can anyone?
1.
Yes, excellent. 7 power will give result as 1. 7 power 1, that is nothing but 7 is not a perfect square. 7 power 0, 1. Now total how many perfect are there? 2 into 2 into 1, it will give the result as 4. Total number of perfect squares are 4. But what he's saying? He's saying that not perfect squares. Total factors are 24. In the 24, 4 are perfect squares. Means can I say remaining or not perfect squares? Answer is option B, 20. Yes. Is this clear? Yes. Yes. Is this clear? Can anyone?
Ma'am.
Now, here the question for you. Similar to this question, how many number of perfect squares are there? Question number, yes, question number 13. Perfect squares he is asking. 2 power 7, 3 cube, 11 square. How many number of perfect squares are there? I'm expecting the answer from everyone. Please try to answer the question. In 2 power 7, how many number of perfect squares are there? Can anyone? 2 power 7. Yes, 2 power 7. How many number of perfect squares are there in 2 power 7? Yes, 2 power 0. 2 power 2. What is 2 power? 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. 2 is not a perfect square. What is 2 square? 4. 4 is a perfect square.
16.
Yes.
Option B.
Option B, 16. Excellent. Now what about 2 cube? 8. 8 is not a perfect square. 2 power 4. Can anyone? What is 2 power 4? What is 2 power 4? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4, 4, 16. Correct. Yes, 16 is a perfect square. Now what about 2 power 6? Yes, 2 power 6. 64. 64 is a perfect square of 8. Correct. 8 square is 64. 2 power 6 is 64. Now what about next? 3 power 0 and 3 square, 9. What about 11? 11 power 0 and 11 square. Here we are getting 4 and here we are getting 2. Here we are getting 2. What is 4 into 2 into 2? It will give the result as 16. Answer is option B, 16. Is it understanding? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, excellent. Moving forward to next question. Yes. What is the answer for this question? Last non-zero digit, for example 120, we have to eliminate 0. What will be the unit digit here? Correct. Last non-zero digit. That is the question he is asking. What is 80 power 1? What is 80 power 1?
Ma'am, 80.
80. Great. What about 80 square?
6400.
6400. What about 80 cube? 8 cube. 8 cube 512. Correct. 8 cube is 512 and we have to add 3 zeros.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
what about 80 power 4?
41984 000.
41984. 152 into 8. 8 to 16. 1 9. 8 5 40. 4096. Correct. Four zero nine six, 8 power 4, and we have to add how many zeros? 4 zeros. Now similarly, what about 80 power 5? 80 power 5, 8 power 5, multiply into 8.
32768.
32768, we have to add 5 more zeros. Correct. Now if you clearly observe, if I'm eliminating zeros, what will be the unit digit here? If I'm eliminating zeros, what will be the next digits? 8 4 2 6. Again the cycle will repeat 8 4 2 6. Correct. Now can I write 8 power 4k is equals to 6? Yes. How many people are agree? 8 power 4k is equals to 6. Yes. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here, can I divide that number with 4? Because every 4 cycles, again the cycle is repeating. Means every 4 numbers, again the cycle is repeating. Correct. Now 80 power 1230, I have to calculate. Now 1230 divided by 4. What is 1230 divided by 4? 4 3s 12. 0, 4 7s 28. Correct. 4 7s 28. Left with the remainder is 2. If remainder is 2, what will be the unit digit? Can anyone? If remainder is 2, what will be the unit digit? Yes. What will be the
Ma'am,
last?
4.
Great. 4. Answer is option B, 4. Here he is asking about last non-zero digit. Means we have to eliminate the zeros. Yes. Is this clear? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward to next question. What is the answer for this question? Yes. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. Now here, can I write it as 6 power, 6 square whole power 45 minus 5 square whole power 45. 6 square will give the result as 36. 5 square will give the result as 25 and here 45 and here 45. Now what is 36 minus 25? What is 36 minus 25?
11.
11. 11 is divisible by 91. Is it divisible by 91? 11 divided by 91. No, correct. Now here can I say 6 power 3 whole power 45, 6 power 3 whole power 30 minus 5 power 3 whole power 30. Can I write like this? 3 into 30 will give the result as 90. 3 into 30 will give the result as 90. Correct? Now what is 6 cube? Can anyone? What is 6 cube? 216 power 30 minus 5 cube 125 power 30 divided by 91. What will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? A power n minus b power n is completely divisible by a minus b. What is a minus b here? This is a, this is b, and this is about n.
91.
91. 91 is completely divisible by 91. Correct? Means leaving no remainder. Can I say answer is option A? Remainder is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Moving forward to the similar question, give a try. Yes. Give a try. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b when n is an odd number, means power n is an odd number. Divided by 23. 3 square is not possible. Can I write it as 3 power 5 whole power triple means 4 ones and 5 cube whole power. Yes, n must be same. Correct. N must be same. N must be same. How I can write 3 power 4 5s plus 5 power 4 3s?
We can do 3 power 5 power 1111 plus 5 cube 111.
Excellent. 5 cube 1111. Yes, we are getting n is same. That is divisible by 23. What is 5? 3 power 5. Can anyone? 3 power 5.
43.
243. Great. 243 power triple 1 plus what about 5 cube?
125.
125 power triple 1. Now what is a power n plus b power n is completely divisible by a plus b. Now what is a plus b here? 243 plus 125. 368.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 368 is divisible by 23. (23 into 6). Here the unit digit is 3. That is the reason I am saying that 23 into 6. What is 23 into 6? 18. And here. Yes. What is the answer?
138.
138. What about 23 into 16? 23 into 16.
368.
368. Okay. 368 means leaving the remainder as 0. Correct. Means no remainder is there. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I am dividing this number divided by 26. Yes. Now what will be the remainder here? Remainder is 0. Answer is option C, 0. Yes, a power n plus b power n is completely divisible by a plus b. Correct. Yes, agree?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Moving forward to next question. This is the last question for today's session. Quickly tell me the answer. Yes, even divisors. Even number of factors are how many in 2016? In 2016, how many number of even divisors are there?
$30, option C.
30, option C. Great. How I can write 2016? By using factorization method. Can anyone? Yes. By using factorization method, how I can write 2016? 2016. 2, 2 tens, 0, 8, 2, 2 5, 0, 4, 2, 2 twos, 4, 2 fives, 2, again 2, 2 ones, 2 twos and 2 6, 2, 2 threes, 2 threes, sorry, 2 6 and 2 3, 3, 3 twos and 3 ones, 3 sevens, 7. Yes. 2 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 is repeating. 2 power 5. 3 square, 7. Now total number of, we have to calculate even number of factors. Correct. Now what about total factors here? Total factors are 5 into 6 into 3 into 2. What is 6 into 3 into 2?
36.
36. Yes, 36. These are about total factors. We have to calculate even factors. For calculating even factors, we have to calculate total factors minus odd number of factors. Now what about odd number of factors here? Odd factor.
6.
Great. We have to see the odd bases. Now what are the odd bases here? 3 and 7. 3 into 2 will give the result as 6. 36 minus 6 will give the result as 30. Answer is option C, 30. Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.